Can you believe it's this easy to roast a whole chicken? Keep watching. Hi everyone, I'm Evelyn from asimpletweak.com. If you are new here, I share easy, family-friendly recipes. Today I'm going to show you how to roast a whole chicken. So say goodbye to those tasteless store-bought chickens. Making a whole chicken is not only perfect for a large crowd, but it's also convenient for meal prep. This roasted chicken is packed with unique flavors. It's juicy and extra crispy. Now, let's get right into the recipe. We start by combining garlic, salt, and pepper to create a garlic paste. We will use it for the rub. Then in a mixing bowl combine thyme, Italian seasoning, poultry seasoning. We will also add cumin, onion powder, paprika, salt, and adobo all-purpose seasoning. Mixing the garlic paste, combine all the ingredients and set it aside. Now it's time to prepare the chicken. This recipe requires a butterfly cut. I will show you the simplest way to do it. On a cutting board, place the chicken breast side down. Then using kitchen shears, cut along both sides of the backbone. Open up the chicken, cut through the collarbone to easily flatten it out. I also like to remove the excess fat. Continue by flipping the chicken and pat dry using a paper towel. Coat both sides of the chicken with 1 to 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Rub the seasoning over the whole chicken. I use my hands, but you can use gloves if it is more comfortable for you. I carefully separate the skin from the meat and fill those spaces with some of the rub using my fingers. In a large roasting pan, place thick lemon slices, rosemary, and onions on the bottom of the pan. And lightly drizzle some olive oil. Lastly, cover the pan with aluminum foil and place the pan in the preheated oven. After 40 minutes, carefully remove the foil from the whole chicken and just cover the chicken breast. This will prevent the chicken breast from drying off and burning at a higher temperature. Continue cooking on broil for 5 to 10 minutes. Finally, the chicken is ready. Let it rest for 10 minutes before carving into it. And dinner is served. If you like this video, please consider giving it a like and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel to be notified every time I share a new recipe with you. Hungry for more? Click here or here and I will see you in the next video.